Shout out to all the dessert enthusiasts out there. Here's a yummy recipe for those coconut and caramel lovers. Today we're whipping up a luscious Mexican coconut caramel flan. It's got that silky smooth texture and rich flavor that'll have you saying hola at every bite. First things first, the caramel magic. Grab a saucepan or a regular frying pan and toss in the sugar. Set your burner to a low to medium heat and keep an eye on that sugar as it starts to move. Swirl it around occasionally and don't be shy to use that wooden spoon to break up any lumps. We want that sugar to dissolve and turn into a beautiful amber color. That's our cue. This takes about 8 to 10 minutes, so be patient. Remember, hot sugar can burn quickly, so keep a close eye on it. If there are any children watching, please don't be tempted to try tasting the caramel. It's really hot. So this is the color that we're looking for, and remember that caramel can go from amber to burnt in a matter of seconds, so be really careful and quick. Once it's caramelized, be careful as you pour it into your chosen pan or mold. We're using a 9-inch regular cake pan here. We want that gooey goodness to coat the bottom and sides of the pan evenly. Tilt the pan with your oven mitts on, safety first, and you can use that wooden spoon to move the caramel up the sides of the pan as well. Now for the creamy coconut filling, let's throw all the good stuff into a blender. We're talking sweetened condensed milk, coconut milk because you know it's a coconut flan, and evaporated milk for extra creaminess. So in goes the sweetened condensed milk, just half a can of the evaporated milk, and 1 can of Cara coconut milk. Next, add 5 eggs for that perfect texture. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for some sweetness, just the tiniest pinch of salt to balance everything out, and a squeeze, that's a 1/4 teaspoon of lime juice for a touch of brightness. Blend this together briefly till everything's perfectly combined. Alright, so it's time to assemble. Carefully pour that dreamy coconut mixture over the cooled caramel layer. We're using a strainer to reduce the bubbles, but this is optional. Those who want a completely bubble-free appearance can also use a cheesecloth for straining. Now it's time for our flan to take a water bath. Place the pan into a larger baking dish and then fill the outer dish with enough hot water to reach about 1/4 to halfway up the sides of the pan. This is going to help the flan to cook gently and evenly. Pop that beauty into the oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. We want the flan to be slightly wobbly in the center, not completely solid. A toothpick inserted near the center should come out clean. That's your sign that it's done. Once it's done, take it out of the water bath and place on a wire rack to cool for 30 minutes. My friends, patience is key. Then it's off to the fridge for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight for the flan to set perfectly. Now are you ready to unveil your masterpiece? Run a knife carefully around the edges of the pan to loosen the flan. Then grab a serving plate and carefully flip it over. We call this the flip of faith. Pat the bottom of the pan a couple of times to help release the flan onto the plate. Watch that beautiful caramel sauce cascade down the sides. Pure dessert magic. And there you have it, folks. Enjoy your homemade dessert. I absolutely love how easy this is to make if you don't mind a little bit of waiting time. Enjoy your delicious slice of homemade Mexican coconut caramel flan. I hope you enjoyed the video recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.